head. Oh my goodness, that's pretty soap. See that soap? We're in a car wash.
How you guys doing?
Good. We have a free car wash.
Got a free one?
Yeah.
Would you like to add tire shine for $1 extra on that?
Yeah, is that wheel cleaning wheels too?
No, it doesn't do the wheels. We do $1 extra tire shine on those, but if you wanted the wheels, it's $3.50 extra.
Ooh, it looks like sherbet.
That's just the rims. So if you just want to do rims, $3.50 extra. Both would be
I think this place looks awesome.
$4.50 extra, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, we'll just look out this window. I'll just tell you what's coming up.
Show that to him up front.
Okay.
See up there? It's wet. Here comes colorful soap. Water. Because you need water at a car wash. I don't want to get that guy. Look, it's a guy. Look, it's not wet over there. See? Oh, there's two guys. There's LALT Jelly Bean Monkey.
I rang it up wrong, and I just realized that, so you guys get $1. Thank you. It's supposed to be only $1 off, but I'll just give you $2.
Thank you.
She said we're going to do the 21st since we already said it with Bailey.
What's the colorful soap?
But now we made her hungry.
Alright, here's some water. First. Colorful soap. Now we're going to look out this window.
I said back to me and I was like, at least you didn't ask for anything kinky.
It's awesome. I'm just show them up here. Alright, next is the spiky things. Soap first. Spikies! My red light's flashing. Look, my red light's flashing. Colorful. Oh, it's a mountain. Oh my gosh, there's all the water is piling just right there. Awesome. Ah! Did you hear that loud noise? Goodness, stop rubbing up against my camera. Ooh, you should be here right now because it smells so good. Oh my gosh, look it, it's stuck.